Ooh, baby, I love you every day, yeah, yeah.
Do you know that you could get free horsepower by just cleaning up your bike?
Oh, baby, I love you every day, yeah, yeah.
Horsebound, revving, burnout. They all have one thing in common.
Chains. They are dirty, noisy, oily, and they catches all the road dirt that makes your rim look like shit. But they are cheap, reliable, and responsive if properly taken care of. Unlike belt-driven or shaft-driven, which is neither cheap or responsive. Most riders hate to clean their chain, but they have to deal with it anyway, especially during rainy season. You cannot expect the rain to wash the dirt off from your chains because your chains are very greasy. It is meant to be greasy. Today, I'm gonna show you the most fastest and effective way of cleaning your chains. Here is what you need: a clean pail of water, soapy water, cloth, gloves, chain brush. You can get from Ali or Shopee, any kind of chain lube, and
Kerosene.
yes, kerosene. I got mine from the hardware store and it costs only about $8 or $9. That's about 3.5 liters of kerosene. Take the kerosene and pour it into a spray bottle for you to use on your bike. Some of you might be saying,
Hey Nas, kerosene will eat up your O-ring and then your chain will spoil.
what I have here is my Yamaha owner's manual. As you can see, it states here, use kerosene to clean off your chain. Okay, for this job, you require gloves because it's a bit greasy. As you can see, I've kept my bike quite dirty and it is for you guys. You want to spin your chain, spray directly onto the chains and sprocket. Just spray one round, let it soak for about 30 seconds and then use your chain brush, just brush it. Go the other way. Once you brush, spray again, another round, brush again. Continue to the next step of wiping the chains dry from kerosene. After you wipe your chains, you have a bit of kerosene here. Earlier on, when you spray kerosene on your chains and sprockets, you got some that went into your rims, which catches all the dirt from the chains. Wipe off all the grease. From this point on, it's up to you to do it again. As a safety warning, please do not start your engine, put it in gear and let the rear tire spin, because if you do so, you might get your fingers caught up. It will break instantly. While you are wiping your chains, you can wipe your sprocket together with the chains. The next step is for you to take your soapy water. You want to get your sponge wet, squeeze the sponge to the chains. Don't rub your sponge on your chains. You know when you wax your car or bike and then you use soap on it, the soap will automatically disappear. Wherever we wipe using kerosene, you want to pour soap, let the soap marinate with the kerosene so the kerosene will just flow down and don't leave any kind of stains behind. This is a good time to carry on and wash your bike. Okay, after you wash, you just take a break for a while, like probably about 5-10 minutes. Relax yourself because we are gonna move on to the next step, which is wipe dry everything. Bang, cuci motor. Cuci motor. Cuci motor.
taklah. Tengah masak kari.
Tak baik kau. Cakap ajalah cuci motor.
Jalan yang manakah harus aku pilih? Bang, cuci motor bang. Okey, hati-hati bawa motor tu. Okey. Once you are done taking your break, you want to wipe dry your chain, because after this, you are going to lube your chain. If all this mess is not worth it and you are just plain lazy, you can just send it over at my friends at Just Wash Lah. They are located at Kaki Bukit and they will clean your bike and chains for just $10. But if you are in JB, this is after the lockdown of course, I know a great place that washes your bike using steam. They are called BikePlanet. It is perfect. Addresses for both shops are in the description box below.
Okay, once you are done, you will notice that your bike will run a lot smoother and you will probably gain about 6.238 horsepower. Thank you for watching Nas Bikes. I hope you enjoyed it. Ride safe.